Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I bring you a kit from One Glance. This is a store near where I live, but they have an online store and I'm going to link everything on the description box below. And this is a leather earring kit and it sells for $7.50. And I bought it because the earrings were so beautiful, but then the kit itself was so inexpensive. I thought this would be a great lesson for anybody. Now it brings two pieces of leather that in this case they were cut to resemble like a leaf, and as you can see it was measured, it was cut by hand, and this is like a golden sheen. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I'm gonna try to zoom in here so you can see how beautiful that is. And it also brings 4 head pins and 4 smaller jump rings and 2 bigger jump rings, 2 ear wires, 2 small pearls, and 2 opal faceted beads. So let's get to it. For this project, we're going to use our basic toolkit. Okay, so let's begin by creating the first little charm that's gonna go on the earring. The first thing you do is just put it through the pearl, and we are going to use our chain nose pliers right here, because we are going to bend this to the side, and this is going to look like a little L just that way. We're just going to bend it that way, and we're going to cut this maybe that much, just because we want to create a loop here. Just like that. I think that looks great. And then we're going to create another one. It's the second one. Again, we're going to bend this to the side. We're going to cut it, maybe leave a 1/4 of an inch there. We're going to roll it in and we're going to create a loop. And you see how I'm leaving some space there? I'm doing that on purpose because when this hangs on the earring on top of the leather, I wanted to have some movement. If I didn't want movement on the earrings or on these types of little charms, then I would just close that loop really close. Okay, let's do them all. So we've created that so that our first step is completely done. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to open this jump ring, and we're going to take our chain nose pliers for that. We're going to find that opening, and you're going to need a second set of chain nose pliers to open that. But if you find yourself not having a second set of pliers, let me tell you what you're going to do. You're going to grab with your chain nose pliers and with your round nose pliers, and you're going to crimp like we said we would. You're going to open that. Remember, we open and close forward and backwards. Okay, so here's what we're going to do next. I have opened these jump rings front to back. Remember, always front to back. And now I'm going to grab my ear wire, and I am going to grab one of the smaller jump rings that I have right here that I've opened already. I'm going to put it through, and then I am going to close this. There we go, and it's closed. And this is only for the earring to have a little bit of movement. That's why you want that extra jump ring in there. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to move that aside, and I'm going to grab the bigger jump ring, and in the bigger jump ring I'm going to put the leather through. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to do, and then I'm going to try to hold it right there, because what I need to do next is attached. Let me put this down so you can see. I'm going to open another jump ring, a smaller one, which I was going to do it in another way, but we're going to open this jump ring. And inside this jump ring, we're going to put both beads that we've already made. 1, 2. And then we're going to close this, okay? That's closed. Now we're going to grab this big one and we are going to put this one through the jump ring. Okay, once we have done that, now we are ready to put this piece inside our loop on the ear wire, and we are ready to close this. And look at this earring, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? When I saw this, I just couldn't help myself but to buy it. I thought it was the most beautiful thing and I wanted it so bad. And I thought this would be a great video for my audience at YouTube. It's easy and simple. So let's do the other one. Look at this. OMG. Aren't these the simplest earrings I've ever seen, but they are just so cute. I'm going to put a picture. Let me hold it with my hands so you guys can see. Look how pretty that turned out. Isn't that the most simple thing? It's just so pretty. Okay, you guys. Isn't this the most gorgeous earring? So simple, very dainty, very delicate, perfect for a gift now that Mother's Day is coming. You can change this leaf to be a square, something round, whatever you want on it. It just looks gorgeous. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you next time. God bless.